Sometimes when I'm window shopping on eBay, I bid on things for fun and make really low offers that I don't expect people to accept. Sometimes it ends in a George Bush action figure. Sometimes it ends in a box of 26 Fast and Furious windshield banners. Today it ended in a Harbor Freight titanium MIG 170. I've heard good things about these welders. It was new in box. I offered the guy like $400 for it. He said, yeah, just like 120 or so less than they sell it in the store. I've used Lincoln, Hobart, Miller, MIG welders, and we're going to see how this compares. I'm not a professional welder. I'm just a hobbyist, make bumpers and cool stuff. I have my AHP Alpha TIG here, which I run on an argon tank. So we're going to swap the argon tank over and try it with some Lincoln MIG wire and run some beads on some scrap metal and see what happens. Is it good or does it suck? Now I read this is an inverter machine. It's kind of loud. Just got done basics putting it together. Oh, maybe there's not gas. Yay, we got wire. Alright, let's do a quick lap joint on some dirty metal. See if she checks out. The voltage, I don't know what to set the voltage at. Wire feed, we'll just start low and go from there, see what happens. First, let's just do some test welds. See what we got. Sounds good. Can do a lot more voltage and a lot more wire speed. Let's see what we got. Makes strange sounds. This thing seems to weld pretty quick and clean. I'm not used to the sounds an inverter machine makes. This is kind of strange. Oh, let's do a lap joint and see what we got. There we go. There's a lap joint on dirty metal. Now, I'm not the best welder, so don't super critique my weld, but this old Harbor Freight welder gets down. Let's slow down the wire speed a little bit and slow down our amperage and see if we can't get something a little prettier than what we just did. Now that we've done a few welds, let's see if we can weld a bead on the end of this pipe and kind of test how fine or not work this can get. So let's turn our wire speed down a little bit and our amperage down and see what we got. Now we're going to weld a very important message for my viewers. Uh-oh. Can you tell I haven't had any sleep? There we go. This is that very important message that I was telling you about. So please subscribe to the channel. Oh yeah, let's get some close-ups of the weld, shall we? Little butt welds there. Yeah, they're pretty decent. This is me stacking weld on top of weld. That was with the 030 wire. 035 would probably look a lot better. And this is the weld stack up we put on the end of this piece of tubing or pipe. I'm not really sure which here. And yeah, that's impressive. This little Harbor Freight welder does a damn good job. Jcats, you know what it is. Filled some holes in just to test its hole filling capability, you know. MIG 170, accidental buy on eBay. Goodbye.